welcome back to the Mind Blown channel for another mind-blowingly amazing video about Cliff again. Today's video is going to be pretty short because all I'm going to do is replace the motors on this with some higher torque. These are the ones that came with the chassis, but and they're 1-45 TT motors. They're pretty common ones, but I got some 190s from Adafruit, so link in the description for these. And I'm going to be attaching Cliff to a better container instead of this one, so it's gonna have an upgrade. He's gonna fit better on this, or this is gonna fit better on his chassis. We'll take him out for a drive at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around for that. But as always, before we can build, it's time to disassemble. So let's get right into it. First, I have to make sure all of these are gonna work. So this one works. I don't know if you could see it very well. Now I'm just gonna check all of them. They all seem to work, so time to replace these. I hope they're the same size and they got the screws in the same spot. I mean, I think so. Hell, the wheels are on there pretty well. Cliff is just like a skeleton as chassis here. So I can now attach some new motors, but before I do that, I'm thinking maybe just tightening some things up. And I'm going to solder in some wires on these.
Many hours later.
So now I want to just draw in some holes for where this bin's going to go.
Many hours later.
Okay, something's not working. So I managed to rig something up to test this. Just need a box. This video is brought to you by Settlers of Catan. Just kidding. And a robot. So can go for test number 2. Okay, so as you might have been able to see, I don't know if I was doing any good filming. I don't know, it might have been shaky. But these 2 wheels here, there are 3 wheels on each side, obviously. These 2 wheels were going and none of the other ones were. I think I want to see about, like, what the heck is the problem there. It's probably just some loose wires or something. Okay, that's a problem. I already see this wire that connected this half of the motors was not connected. Now, okay, so now all of the wheels are going except for this one here. So, oh, I think I found the problem. This wire here is loose. Going to this one, not soldered on properly. So I guess I'm gonna have to resolder that one. That's a bummer. Hoping I wouldn't have to do any soldering. Okay, so forward and backward are wrong. Turning is still rough. But it always is. So I guess I'm gonna have to change the program a little bit. Switch forward and backward. Okay, now it should work. So let's test some drive.
Oh!
Oh, yeah. Okay, so he's going up a small hill now. We've made it through, like half a block so far. Basically going the same speed up the hill. I'm gonna add fans to it. We're more than halfway there now.
Yeah.
What is that?
Dog poo.
Somebody put the effort into bagging up their dog poo and then left it there. So we have come to another obstacle, but it's different. It's tough
Okay.
Okay, this red wire here got desoldered, broke. So we almost made it, but
Yep. So
we didn't quite. We were like 20 feet away.
all right.
So
But the battery didn't run out.
the battery didn't run out, and that's pretty easy to fix. And, you know, those ones aren't having problems, so I don't need to fix them.
Walk of shame. Carrying it back.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like this video if you like this video, or if you didn't like the video, just to be nice. And subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell if you want to get notifications for more videos. And I hope that you see me in the next video. And I'm gonna go eat some ice cream now, and then I'll fix the robot.